going on, everybody? Today we're back with the Celica Convertible, and we're gonna install some new seats. So let's jump right in. We'll get the battery disconnected, take the old seats out, vacuum it, clean it up a little bit, and then we'll take a look at the new seats before they go in. You're gonna want to disconnect your battery just in case there's any airbag sensors or wires connected to your seats, like power seats. This one does not have anything connected, but I'm still going to disconnect the battery. Alright, we're good to go. Check out our old seats. These ones are so uncomfortable. I mean, short trips, yeah. We drove across the country and we actually tried to sleep in this. These seats do not recline. It was dire. Anyway, as you can see, we got lots of cleaning to do. The car is a mess. It's sat since we drove it home from British Columbia here to New Brunswick. So let's get these seats out. Alright, so at the front, in the 4th gen, we have 2 bolts, 9/16 or 14 mil, whatever socket you find laying around. And then at the back here, we have 2 more 14 mils to take out. Alright, so we got 4 bolts per seat. Shouldn't take very long to remove the 2 seats. We don't have any electrical to worry about, like heated seats, power seats, or any of that cool jazz. We're straight up old school manual here. Let's jump into it. I don't always remember to use power tools, but when I do, it makes it a lot easier. So on this side here, we have that little plastic clip to remove. There we go, and it's just that easy. I'll jump around to the other side and we'll get that removed. Watch your paint. Hello. Okay, back here we have 2 plastic tabs. I guess the other side's just missing one. There we go, I did not break them. Another seat ready to come out, just that quick. Well, there's not a whole lot left under here. Some old French fries. No money. So let's get to vacuuming. There we have it. The carpet's cleaned, seats are cleaned, dash and stuff's wiped down, and it looks a little more enticing in here. So, how are we going to get these new seats in that I haven't even showed you what those new seats are? To get these new seats in, I've got a set of plated brackets. This one here is for the driver's side. And this one here is for the passenger side. So first step, let's see that they actually fit the car. And this one seems to line up pretty good. Want to see what the seats are? Here we are with the new seats. A set of Brom Elite seats. And we're going to see about getting them fitted into the Celica with those planted brackets and the sliders that came with the brackets. Never done this before, so let's jump into it. Let's do the passenger side first, so let's get rid of the driver's seat. Looks like we got 4 bolts on the underside here. Next up, we'll grab the slider. Okay, sliders. So by trial of elimination, I figured out where all these bolts go. They only fit these seats in one way. So just tightening down the last bolt here. So now we take our pull bar for our sliders, just clips down and squeezes into place. The planted sticker goes towards the front of the car. Okay, so we have the sliders and the bracket on. I put the sliders on first and then I put the bracket on. The sliders only went on one way to these seats, and it's the same with this bracket here. It seems to go on one way with this seat, so the adjustability, I assume, would be for different types of seats, different brands. Let's put this into the passenger seat and see if it fits. There we have it. We got the passenger seat in finally. The left rear tab on the planted bracket didn't line up properly, so I needed a couple adjustment tools, a hammer and a drill. Elongated the hole a little bit, gave it a little love with the hammer, and now we're sitting nice and secure. All 4 bolts are in. So let's go ahead and get that driver's seat in. Yeah. Oh yeah. These seats are going to work out nice. They're way more comfortable than the old ones. Installation was pretty good. I'd say 9 out of 10 for ease. If this left rear tab on this planted seat bracket lined up, then it would have been a 10 out of 10 for ease. But I had to elongate the hole a little bit and give it a couple taps with the hammer. The driver's side, however, bolted right in, no issues at all. Seats feel sturdy. Nice support. I can't wait to go for a drive. Until we do, we have some more work to do. There's a couple more projects on this car that we have to take care of, and we have some issues with the car that's behind you to take care of. So we'll see you on the next episode, I hope. Please leave a like, subscribe, and comment below if you have any thoughts, questions, or just want to say hi. Bye-bye, everybody.
'Cause you're the peace I finally found.